Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable Windows 10 Cortana. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand softwares. Click and expand policies. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Create new key name as Windows space search. Right-click New D-Word 32-bit value. Type Allow Cortana, A and C are capital letters. Change value data to 0, click OK and exit Registry Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.